What's up everyone? Welcome back. My name is Justin and we are back up on the Volkswagen after a 2-week break. We took a week off. It's been 2 weeks since we put a video up. We got a bunch of progress done. A lot more than I was expecting. So we're gonna cut to the footage that we filmed up here while we were working over the last 2 weeks in between the last videos, and we will be right back. Alright, you guys saw what we've been doing. Car has a lot of progress done. We got the rocker panel split, the new one sitting right up there. And then we got the inner panel here, but inner rocker sitting in here. This piece, if you remember, if you've been with us for a while and you remember the first videos, this piece was gone. Right across here, all the way across, it was completely gone. This did not exist down here. So this we actually made. The whole bottom half of this was made, and we'll line up so you can see our original holes up in there. Those all line up. You can see how it fits here. We gotta trim the bottom still, and when you get it pressed in, you can see how well it fits in there. So this piece looks really good. This is all done in here. Got the rocker all set in. We finished this front. I'll show you that here in a second. The only thing we have left to do with this rocker before we can weld it in is we need to fix this where it's all rusted. We still need to fix that, but other than that, that rocker panel is pretty much ready to get welded in. But one of the big things it's done that's been a huge hurdle is that whole front section's done on this side now. We did use the karmann ghia parts. If you're wondering, you can use karmann ghia parts. They don't fit exactly, you do have to modify them, which we've shown what you have to do in the previous videos, but they're in, they're fitted, it's all welded in, looks really good. So let's get down here. But you can see where it fits how well it looks all the way around. It's got all the bolts in it, or all the nuts in there. Looks really good. This is spot welded, just like they did in the factory. This is how often they spot welded it, in all the exact same places, all the way around. So that appears original. And the full front box is done in there. So, looks really good. I'm really happy with our progress. But at this point, we need to pull that rocker back out. We're gonna fix the front pillar a little bit where there's that rust in there, and then that inner rocker is gonna get welded in. That box will get welded in. And then the new outer rocker will go in, and this whole side of the car will be done finally. Just having that front done, huge milestone. That's been a pain in the butt for months now, worrying about that, but it's in. One thing we do have to do when we get this, the door in here, it didn't line up right, which I showed that in a previous video. So we're gonna have to take part of this bar out. We're gonna put another bar inside so we can trim it, so it gives us room to rock the door pillar in and out to get alignment just right. But this side, huge win this week. I'm really happy with it. So you guys can see it there. And as soon as this is done, that whole side of the car is coming out. That other side over there is gonna look the same as this. But that's where we're at for this week. I'm really happy with it. Ton of progress, way more than I was expecting. So let me know what you guys think. You know, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. We're getting a lot of subscribers finally, and really starting to gain some traction. So I appreciate all of you guys watching, and I look forward to making these videos. So for that is our update on the Volkswagen, and you will see me next week. It's the plan. Should be back up here next week. Get a video posted Thursday or Friday next week, like we normally do. And that should be that. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.